Hello everybody, my name is Kashvi Singal. I read in class 3A. Today I am going to recite a poem before you. Title of my poem is Sea Song. So let's start. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised, I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. And hear it singing too. And hear it singing too. Thank you and have a nice day.